In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Facebook ads on Reels. Diving into the world of Facebook advertising can seem daunting at first, but fear not, because I'm here to walk you through the process of applying ads to your Facebook Reels step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your command center for all things advertising on Facebook. It's here where you'll control your ad campaigns, analyze data, and so much more. Think of it as your mission control for navigating the Facebook business ecosystem. Once you're on the Business Manager page, look for the Login with Facebook option. Click on this to proceed. It's a straightforward process, but bear in mind that you should be logging in with an account that has access to the Facebook page you intend to use for your advertising. After successfully logging in, choose the account you wish to work with. If you manage multiple business pages, make sure to select the correct one to proceed. This step is crucial to ensure you're applying your efforts and resources to the right page. Now, let's get to the part where we start working on the ads. Look for an option labeled Ads on the lower left panel of your screen. This should take you closer to where you can manage and create new advertisements. Within the Ads section, you'll see another option called Ads Manager. Click on this to dive deeper into ad management. Ads Manager is a powerful tool that empowers you to create, manage, and track the performance of your ads. It's your go-to place for all ad-related tasks. Once inside Ads Manager, you'll want to navigate to the All Tools option. You might find this under a menu or a drop-down depending on the interface updates. Hunting for the right tools might feel like a maze at times, but patience is key. In the All Tools section, click on Monetization. This area is dedicated to all the ways you can make money through your Facebook content, including, you guessed it, Reels. It's an exciting space where creativity meets business. Next, seek out the View Page Eligibility option. This is an important step, offering insights into whether your page meets the criteria for monetization, including ad placements on Reels. Not every page is eligible right off the bat, so this step is vital for planning your strategy. Following that, find and click on In-Stream Ads. In-stream ads are those that can appear within your Reels, offering a seamless way to monetize content. They can be a game changer for engagement and revenue when used correctly. To ensure that you're on the right track, click on View Criteria. This will lay out exactly what requirements your page must meet to take advantage of in-stream ads. Consider this a checklist of what Facebook expects from your content before giving it the green light for ads. Lastly, and this is a key piece of advice, always verify if your page is eligible to post ads in Reels. Eligibility is based on a variety of factors, including but not limited to the nature of your content, audience engagement, and adherence to Facebook policies. This checkpoint can save you a lot of time and effort by ensuring that all systems are go before you dive deep into content creation and ad application. Remember, the world of Facebook ads is dynamic and constantly evolving. Staying informed about the latest guidelines, trends, and best practices is crucial for anyone looking to leverage Facebook ads for their Reels. Whether you're promoting a product, service, or simply boosting your brand's visibility, the strategic use of ads on Reels can significantly enhance your reach and impact on the platform. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of applying Facebook ads on Reels. Embrace these steps and you're well on your way to mastering the art of social media advertising. Stay creative, stay informed, and most importantly, stay engaged with your audience. Happy advertising!